how do I do that? First, from my pivot tables here, I'll come to all. I'll say from my service table, I'll say service. I bring service to row here. Let me create more. Yeah, so these are all the services here that I have here. So I can call this services. All right. And I can now bring all the services from the three places. So these are service table. So I don't need services. Oh, the first thing I want is quantity from Lagos and revenue from Lagos. So I'll call this Lagos QTY. And I'll call this Lagos revenue. All right. Lagos revenue. Okay, I'll do the same thing to Ibadan, quantity and revenue. So I'll say Ibadan QTY, Ibadan revenue. All right, so I'll do the same thing for Abuja. Abuja quantity and revenue, because that's really what I want to see. Abuja QTY, Abuja revenue. So it's kind of so simple as it were. All right, so I can just quickly format all of this and say number format. Okay, just give it number, comma, no decimals. Just comma there and oh, sorry. Just put comma from here. Okay, so that's it. So with this now, I have easily analyzed data from the three sources. I have the services coming from the service table here, and I have these two columns coming from this table, the next two columns coming from this table, and this coming from this table. I've not added anything from the date table. The date table, I just need a timeline on it. So I can just right click and say add as timeline. So, and then of course it gives me this timeline immediately. Excel automatically groups the dates into months. I can also see this in quarters, and definitely with the timeline I can see them in the particular days, but I think months will suffice for this purpose. So if I select a particular month now, let's say January. So these are all the sales, the January sales. That means in Abuja, we didn't see any of these products in Abuja. We didn't see CS Pro dashboard paying for financial modeling in Abuja in January. No financial modeling in Ibadan in January, and we didn't see the services in Lagos in January. And if we go to February, the same thing. You can see the services we provided and the ones we did not provide. I can also quickly just make some changes to that. For empty cells, show 0. Okay. All right. So I think that's better now. Okay. So, and then of course I can see the totals I did. These are revenue, and these are our revenues, and this is the quantity of products. Or perhaps I can just do a number format on this and put currency on it. This is Naira. Okay. All right. So let me make it accounting. This. All right. Good. So number format. Let me do accounting on this also. All right. So number formats, accounting, so that we're able to differentiate the revenue from the quantities. Okay, so here is it now. So that's how you easily bring three tables together into one using modeling in Excel. So that's basically how to run this process. So there are, of course, you can go to higher levels of analysis, adding up these three columns using DAX in Power Pivot. You can add up these three columns in DAX using Power Pivot. So that is that. Thank you. I hope you drop some comments and then tell what you have learned, and if you have any questions, you can ask. So this simply